going on, y'all? Eddie Cavietes here at Chastang Ford. Today we're going to talk to you about FordPass and how it relates to your fleet. All right, you guys. So a couple key features to stay connected with your fleet virtually are being able to click any of your fleet vehicles. You can save up to 10 here. As you can see, we have 7 in this example. At any given time, you can go ahead and select. Let's say we want to do this 250. You're actually able to click vehicle location and track down exactly where your guys are at any given time. Not only that, if let's say, God forbid, you lose your keys or spare keys, you can slide to start the vehicle. You can lock, you can unlock, you can actually schedule a remote start. Let's have it load up here. So we're going to create a scheduled remote start. Perhaps you are an early riser. We can go ahead and set that at 4 a.m. Monday through Friday and click save. Totally up to you. You can schedule at your convenience. And then, of course, some very, very beneficial features as it relates to service is you can schedule servicing 100% online. You can see here we have our preferred dealer set as Chastang Ford. But you can schedule any service here, check your oil life, diesel exhaust, washer fluid, make sure your vehicle is doing fine on the road, again, virtually, tire pressure as well. Okay, and then something that is very, very big to help reduce any downtime and improve your convenience on the road is our Ford Emergency Services. Right here we can click to schedule a tow if needed. So we got that there. Collision assistance for you. If you have any questions whatsoever, this is a little quick rundown. Give us a call. We'd be happy to answer. 713-678-5000.